Now the question number 79 is what that is here consider two alternatives of and question number we are discussing first question number 80. What is the value of x in the sequence? So 2 7 22 67 202. So it will be simply multiplied by 3 plus 1. So answer will be 607. Now question number 70. Some greens are blue. Okay, some blues are black. Some greens are black. So this will be the sequence. So the conclusion, again we can see this. Yeah, some greens are blue and some blues are black. So conclusion is some greens are black, some greens are black. No. Some no green is black, no green is black. No. All blacks are green, all blacks are green. No. So the D will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 74 is there. Which one of the following statement is the corollary of the passage is given? So the central bank cannot work independently of the government, because in India the objective of macroeconomic is what? It's the monetary policy as well as the fiscal policy. Macroeconomic, monetary and fiscal cannot be independently work, because of central bank cannot work independently of the government, because both are work simultaneously. Consider the following two table. This was the table question, so here is not the question. So this is the misprint in this question. Half of the villagers of certain villagers have, like half villagers are cultivating paddy. Okay, and 1/3 are the literate, and 4/5 are the 25 year of age. So which one of the correct? So all of the villagers who have their own houses are literate? No, all are not literate. Some villagers under 25 of age are literate. So under 25 are the 4/5. Who are the literate? 1/3. So it is given some villagers. So yes, B will be the answer. Okay, now come 77. So the last day of the month is Wednesday. So here, if last day of the month is Wednesday, we can't say anything by of this. But the third Saturday of the month was the 17th day. It was the 17th day. And what was that? The third Saturday of the month was 17th day. It was Saturday. Now what day is 14 day? 14 day is the like 16, 15 and 14. If this will be Saturday, then this will be Friday, and this will be Thursday, this will be uh, Wednesday. So answer will be Wednesday here, but only 2 will be the required here. Okay, which day is the October 2027? 2021 and 2027 is the both have the same calendar, so we will find out the answer is the A here, 78 by. Now we are going to discuss next, that is pharmaceutical. There is the question. Yeah, in pharmaceutical and lethal autonom, like this is one passage is there. So in India, the objective of macroeconomic policy is enhance the economic welfare of people, and monetary fiscal cannot be independent. This was a different question. 72 is the half is given here, half is misprinted here. So we can say like human and enough if driverless cars is who it's basically based on driverless car, and there is given that government can originally copyright California and programmer of whom maintenance is outsourced. If different nation jurisdiction have different fine print on providing a human life, how will it affect insurance and investment decision, including the uh, international ones? So which of the statement is believed rational and plausible and practical implicit of this passage? So 2, 3 and 5. 2 is what modern technology are increasing during the economic boundary, okay, and innovation and capital have the imping on the domain of the state, and geopolitics will have to recovery many emerging uh, ambitious and uncertainties. So C will be the answer. Too much globalization is not given here, and mad of technology are increasing in economic border, that is also not given here. Next is the resolution of bankruptcy. This passage is on bankruptcy, and here answer will be the Indian banking system requires structural reform as a long term solution for the problem. Now question number we are going to discuss question number 72. We has been discussed. Now we are going to discuss 70. Question number 69. Okay, so question number 69 is there. First of all, we are going to discuss like 3p, 4p, pp. So what will be the value of p? It can be 3 or it can be 8. So we will put first 3, then we will put 8. So we will get 404 after adding all of them. Then we will divide by 2. So we will get 202 as a average. Okay, because it is saying RQ2. So 2 will be either 12 either 32. If we are going to multiply 4 into 3, or we are going to multiply 8 cross 3, so value will be either 3 either 8. Okay, so that's why here we are putting two values and we are getting the answers. So answer will be 202. Next is PQ into 3 equals to RCQ. Okay, so P plus R divided by Q. So here Q will be 2. No, Q will be 5. R will be rest will be we are putting here some values, like if we are putting P equals to 8, Q equals to 5, and 8 R equals to 2 and Q equals to 5. If we are putting P5 into 3 equals to R55. So if we are putting 85 into 3, it will be 255. Okay, so the answer will be B here. 2 will be the answer. Next is question number 17 is based on the consider the following multiplication of predictable. So here answer will be the B2 will be the answer. Next is nothing can be exist in a state without can be called good or bad. Common assent since according to the for advantage this is not visible. Yeah, nothing can be exist in a natural state which can be called good or bad. Common assent since every man who is in a natural state consult only his own advantage and determine what is good or bad according to his own fancy, and insofar as he has regard for his own advantage alone, and hold himself responsible to no one save himself by any law, and therefore sin cannot be conceived in a natural state but only in civil state. So what will be here, the conception of what is right and wrong exists due to the formation of the state. In the immediate future, we will see the new increasing commodification of technology, artificial intelligence and robotics and 3D. this paragraph half part we discussed before. Okay, now question number 64. Question number 64 is P score 40 marks than Q. 40 marks than Q, and Q scored 10% less. 10% less means 40 marks are less, because if 400 is the total, then minus 360 will be the answer. Okay, question number 64, answer will be the 360. Next is a person P asks on a three friend X to how much money he had. X replied, if Y gives me 40, then Y will have half of as much as Z. So X has money. If Y gives me 40, Y equals to X plus 40 equals to Z by 2. It is saying like this. So equation number 1 will be X plus 40 equals to Z by 2. Okay, so Y give me half of his equation number 1 is this, and second is then Y will have half of as much Z, but if Z gives me 40, if X is getting 40 from Z, then Z minus 40 equals to Y. So it will be equation number 2. While solving both of the equation, we will get the answer, and we will add X plus Y plus Z, because what is the total amount of money XYZ it's asking about. So that will be 360. Okay, next question is table format. That question is in table format, and we wants to get from this like who is the highest. So B will be the highest, and one question is mixed with this. Mathematics is written in this, so chemistry how will be written. So this is the pattern, -1 + 1 -1 + 1. So answer will be B. Next, at which of the following time do the hover hand and the minute hand of the clock make an angle 180? So answer will be the D, because the hover hand and minute hand will be at 180 if there is the 6 o'clock, but it will be 7 o'clock and 1 o'clock. So this will be between 7:05 over to 10 hours. So if which of the following do the hour and minutes hand of the clock make an angle of 180 with each other? It asking with each other. So one fact is there, like 7, 5 and 27. This is the time where the always the both makes an angle between 180 degree angle. So that's why while using that fact we can give the answer is D. Now question number 62 is there. So what is will be the answer of 62? Jay Vijay spent an equal amount of money by pencil. So Jay spent 3 for pen and 5 for pencil, and what is Vijay? 2 pens plus 7 pencil. So out of that we will get 1 pen is equal to 2 pencil. Okay, so that's why we will say the answer will be pen will be twice of the pencil. Question number 63. Pen will be the 1 pen cost will be the twice of the pencil cost. That will be the answer of that question. Okay. Now the next question is our cities are the extremely vulnerable to climate change. Here will be the to maintain and develop our cities we need to adopt sustainable related intervention. C will be the answer. Now B, before we video lecture and all that, and anyone word also integrate these online courses into their word, integrate these courses into the own pedagogy, picking the pieces that are appropriate for their needs and building a package around them. Which of the following statement best reflect the central idea of the passage? So here is the availability of higher education can be made easier and cheaper without diluting the content. I don't found this is the right. Efficacy of university would be better in online mode of conducting classroom tuition as compared to conventional method. So A will be the answer here. Okay. So B can be, here is the confusion between A and B. So A or B, let's see what UPSC will say. Next is question number 56 is 2 2 3 3. So 3 will be here constant, and we will put again 2 3 3 and 2 2. So we can say factorial 4 upon factorial 2 into 2 will be the answer. So 6 will be the answer of this question. Okay. The question is 2 2 3 3 3 as a digit. How many distinct number greater than 3000 can be formed? So it can be formed as we are putting 3 as a fixed digit. Okay. Next one is the sum of 5 consecutive integer is 100. So 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. It will be 100. Yes. Okay. And the product of 3 consecutive natural number can be the equal of the sum. Yeah, it can be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now the cubical a cubical vessel is 1 meter. It is factual question. D will be the answer, 10 to power 6 millimeter. Okay. Next, these are the 6 person arranged here below. Another person has to shake hand with the 3, then so that should not shake hand with the 2 consecutive person. In this, how many distinct possible combination can the handshake take place? B will be the answer here. Because they can shake the hand in the this way, like there is one, A B C D E and F. So A can shake with C and then F. Okay. B can shake D then F, and again A can shake hand with D then F. Okay. And F can shake hand with C and then A. So 4 ways are there they can shake the hand. Okay. Now the question number 60. A amount of money was distributed among A, B, C in PQ are considered. A gets the maximum share if greater than if P is greater than greater than Q plus R. Okay. A gets the maximum share. Yes, A will get the maximum share, and C gets the minimum share if R is less than the P plus Q. He will get the minimum. We can't say it can be maximum, it can be minimum also. So A will be the only its answer. Now the best university like Harvard, MIT, despite having the luxury having some truly excellent embracing flipped classroom format where student listen to video lectures. This was we discussed before as a passage. Now question number 56 we has discussed 56 one. Okay. In our We teach our children all that is there to know about physics, maths, and history, and what have you. But do we teach them about a bitter cash divide and plague the country, about the specter of famine and state, large part of our land, about gender sensitivity, about the possibility of atheism? Equally important, do we teach them ask question? Do we teach them only a passively received or wisdom from concern? So preparing the children to be better citizens should be the responsibility of the education system. C will be the answer. There are 3 point P, Q and R. All are like in P, Q and R. So 3:5 will be there, or we can say this can be 3:2 will be there. So there can be the two possibilities. It can be 2 or it can be 8. 3:2 or 3:8 can be there. What it is asking about possible values of PQ and PR, then what is the n equals to? This is asking about if PQ and QR equals to 3:5, if n is the number of the possible value of PQ and PR. PQ and PR. Okay, so PQ is the 3, but PR can be 2 or can be 8. Okay, so P, Q and R. PQ is given here like 3. Okay, but QR is either it can be 5 or total is 8 is given, or we can see PQ is again 3 and PR and QR is 2, so it can be 5 also. So two values can be there. There are on the chessboard different way of 6 consecutive square be chosen on the diagonal along the straight path. This is a chessboard, so there are 2 diagonal. Okay, so if there is chessboard, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so 1 to 6, 2 to 7 or 3 to 8, 3 in one diagonal, and in second again 1 to 6, 3 to 7 and 3 to 8. So it will be 6. It will be the 6 will be its answer. There will be the 6 ways. Okay, D is the wrong. 6 ways. Six consecutive square on the diagonal along the straight path. So next one is in the series. Series is what? A B. Then again, no, it is a series of B, then A, then A, B, then B, A, then A, B. This is the series BBA, ABB, AAB. Wait a minute. It is a series of A, B, B, again A, B, again A, B, A, BB, AAB, A, ABB, then again AAB. So this will be the series continuously it's going through. So after that we will get the answer D, putting the values. So what is the pattern? Pattern is here A, B, B, then A, B, again A, B, B, then A, B. Okay, three patterns are there. 3 values are there, and we are going to draw the pattern. Now next question is question number 47. x and x said to y at the time of your birth. If x was 3p, then y will be 3p. I was twice as old as you are as a person present. If the present age of x is 42, so y will be, it will be 14 year of age. Okay, why? Because we are quite dividing by 3, we will get 14. Now what is asking? 8 year ago it will be 6, it will be 36. So this is not fifth time, so a will be wrong, 1 will be wrong. After 14 year is what? It will be 28 and it will be 56. So it will be the double. Yeah, that will be the answer. So 2 will be the only answer here. If the price of the article is decreased by 20 and then new price will be increased by 25, so zero change will be there. Okay, when a certain number of multiple by 7, then product, so 7 is multiplying direct by all options, so we will get 73. 158 73 will get all ones. Okay, now next, can a democracy avoid being welfare state for long? What connect mass welfare be left entirely to be market? There is a built-in tension between market and democracy. So this article is on democracy, and 51 is modern democracy rely on the market force to enable to be welfare state. So the 51, the market sufficient economic growth necessary for democratic and effective governance and government program are needed for those are left behind. So B will be the only answer. Okay, of 51, because government program are needed but market ensures sufficient economic growth, that's not necessarily, and the before what we talked, that is also not necessarily in this context. Now question number 52 is, in our school we teach children, so what will be the answer here? It will be the answer like preparing the children to be better citizen could be responsibility of the our education system. Okay, this we discussed before. Now question number we has discussed. Okay, thank you. We has discussed all of the 80 questions today. One question was left. That question was I'm describing by orally here. That question was that there is the 90 questions. Okay, and while wrong, for a wrong question there deduction of 2 question, and for a right question there will be the 5 marks will be the question. Okay, 5 marks will be for one question and wrong marks deduction of 2. So if there is 387 marks he obtained, then what will be the wrong question he did? So here will be the answer like I'm describing. If there is the, if there is like 20 like 90 questions are there, so total will be 450 marks will be there. If he got 387, then left will be 63. Now dividing this 63 by 7. Why? Because 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Because if he is going to wrong one any question, there 7 will be deduction automatically, so there will be 9 question left, so 9 will be the answer of that question. Okay, now it's completed. Thank you.